Welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2007 Chevy Tahoe and I will show you how to replace regular taillights with LED taillights. This video applies to Chevy Tahoes made from 2007 all the way up to 2014. I already replaced the passenger side and now I will show you what has to be done on the driver's side. On my Tahoe, both taillights were cracked, so I decided just to get aftermarket taillights because it's gonna give it a bit nicer look. It's quite cold outside, so I will try to record this as quickly as I can. So first to start, you'll want to remove two Phillips screws, this one here and this one here, and those are the only screws holding the taillight. Okay, so these are the screws. Once you have them out, the taillight will be completely loose, but it's still being held by two pins. One is somewhere here and the other one is down here. Now I usually just pry out those pins with a tool like this or just with a flat screwdriver. So just gently push it here and here as well, until it pops out. Okay. I'm trying to work with one hand here. Okay. Okay, now what happened here in my case, I pulled out too much actually. Now this plastic piece here that's turning, that piece is supposed to be in the hole here and then the pin goes into it. So this is actually the second time that happened to me on Chevy Tahoe. So basically I'll just have to pull these plastics off and put them back in the holes here so I can install the new taillight. Okay, so I was able to remove these two plastic pieces from these pins. So this is how it's supposed to look, and these pieces go inside here. So once you get your new taillight, you just push the pin in here and up here as well. Okay, next thing you want to do, just remove all the light bulbs from the old taillight. So just turn each of these counterclockwise. There's one small here as well, same thing. Okay, and this is the old taillight, you won't need that anymore. Now the next thing you'll want to do is remove light bulbs from the sockets, but not all of them. So out of 4 light bulbs, you will remove just 3, and you will leave the second one from the top like it is. So this is the one. Leave this one and remove all of the others. To remove the light bulb, just pull it straight out. Okay, so this is what you'll get once you remove the light bulbs. Now a new LED taillight is a bit different on the back side. So it already has this connectors which look the same like the ones on your old light bulbs. Now you just have to imagine if each of these wires and these connectors, it's one light bulb, and then what you have to do, just directly plug in this connector into this socket, this connector into this socket, and the last one, the small connector, into this small socket where the small light bulb was, and this one that's left, that one goes into this hole right here, and that's your reverse light. For all the others, what you want to do, you just want to tuck all those, squeeze all those wires into the hole, and then also once you have it in, just lock it clockwise, same like you did with that one. There is no difference. Only difference is you have a bunch of these wires which you have to squeeze in and then just lock it. Okay, and once you have all these sockets back in the holes, That's pretty much it. You can put the taillight back in. So now, like I said, be careful so you hit those holes here, the upper one and the bottom one, with these pins. Okay, once you have it back in place, you just have to put those two Phillips screws back in. Make sure it's all nice and aligned here and at the bottom here, and of course before you put the taillight in, make sure it actually works. Okay, so this is pretty much it. This is how you replace regular taillights with LED taillights on a Chevy Tahoe. Now I will also mention these specific taillights I got. They were just plug and play, so basically you just remove the light bulb and plug in the cable you are given from the taillight. Some of the aftermarket LED taillights come with only one connector, and then what you have to do pretty much, you have to completely remove the wiring harness from the original taillight, and it connects just under here, under the bumper. So you just have one connection, and then you pretty much also just plug in that new taillight into that same connector. But if I ever get one of these, I'll make a new video definitely. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.